Opening an account for Forex trading involves several steps to ensure compliance with regulations and access to the global currency markets. Here's a guide. Choose a broker. Research and select a reputable Forex broker that suits your trading needs and preferences. Consider factors like regulation, trading platforms, fees, and customer support. Complete application. Visit the broker's website and fill out the online account application form. You will need to provide personal information, financial details, and identification documents as part of the Know Your Customer process. Verify identity. Upload scanned copies of your identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, to verify your identity. Some brokers may also require proof of address. Fund the account. Once your account is approved, you will need to deposit funds to start trading. Most brokers offer various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and e-wallets. Choose trading platform. Download and install the broker's trading platform or use the web-based version to access the Forex markets. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools. Start trading. With your account funded and the trading platform set up, you can start executing trades in the Forex market. Develop a trading strategy, manage risk effectively, and stay informed about market developments to make informed trading decisions. Keep learning. Forex trading requires continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with market trends, study technical and fundamental analysis, and practice disciplined trading to become a successful Forex trader.